This estate auction presents a unique opportunity to acquire a spacious, three-story multifamily home located in the charming town of Brattleboro, Vermont. The property boasts 5 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, offering over 3,600 square feet of living space. Built in 1880, this historic home sits on approximately 0.28 acres and includes an attached garage, combining classic New England charm with significant potential for investment or renovation. The location is ideal, situated less than 1 mile from downtown Brattleboro and just minutes from Interstate 91. This provides convenient access to a variety of amenities, including restaurants, cafes, taverns, shops, churches, and hotels. The property is currently occupied, so visitors are asked to respect the privacy of the tenants. The live auction for this property is scheduled for Tuesday, June 3rd, 2025 at 11 in the morning, with registration and inspection beginning at 10 in the morning. This is a rare opportunity to own a piece of history in a desirable location with excellent potential for future development or personal use. Contact us today for more information.